in high attendance levels as well as an elevated level of anticipation here. Surely this is the hot ticket going around in this neck of the woods. It surely must be. Messi goes looking. He's had a shot!
Goal! Some of the best managers I've played for insisted on starting.
Lewandowski, and he's shown him a clean pair of heels. Has a hit! It's bounced out! It's a goal! And already...
Into tunnel vision because he had good options around him and he failed to get his head up.
Good running with the ball. Can they build on it? He's through the middle. He could be in here. Big chance! It's there! Hot knife! Done very well to intervene. Quick ball forward. Now it's Cristiano Ronaldo. Cristiano Ronaldo! Oh, the ball's come loose. Could fall kindly. In for the pieces. Suchi gets good distance on it. Pogba hits one! Schick. Barida. And that'll be the last...
The best form of defence. If they're in the face of the opposition that much, then there's little they can do in return, and I'm not sure how long they can keep the intensity and the tempo up, but it's certainly...
Robertson. And it's Pogba. It's Pogba! They score! Well, just another one to add to what has already been an incredible haul. Goes for goal! That is absolutely glorious! About as smooth as it gets! It was a move that looked promising, but eventually thwarted without doing any... Chance! Really well taken goal! This is as ruthless. Some good work on the right flank. Now, what's next? Gets away from his opponent. Tries a shot! He scored! And again, Van Dijk. Shot at goal! Ronaldo gets the better of his man. Has a goal! Easy to say from up here, I know. Now it's Cristiano Ronaldo. Cristiano Ronaldo! What a rocket that is! Managed to get it away. Lewandowski spreads it towards the left. He's gone for it! And yes, it's there! A contest no more. It is nothing short of utter humiliation.
Well, I think we've gone past humiliation now. This could be doing some real psychological damage.
He's made it free, quite... And that is that. A demolition, destruction.